Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsnall, Certified Master Tech from Reading, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about removing scratches from your windshield. I'm going to talk a little bit about scratches in a windshield. Major scratches that are really evident, unfortunately, not going to come out of your windshield. Small swirl marks, maybe from dirt being on your windshield wipers, or maybe even just something rubbing up against it. Even light scratches you can get out with a little rubbing compound or maybe some window cleaner that's maybe a little bit more abrasive than just a Windex. But I actually like to use a polishing compound because it takes a lot of the sappiness off your windshield. But just focus on one small area. You might want to just rub it back and forth. But say if you have some swirl marks just right here, just stay in that one spot. You can do this in a couple of stages here. You can use a wet cloth and a little bit of polishing compound. I like to do that first. Kind of helps remove some of the dirt away from your windshield. And then get yourself a dry cloth. And go out with a little bit of the Windex Extreme Glass Cleaner. You don't need too much, just enough on your dry cloth. And go over that in the same amount. This cleaner here, you want to keep rubbing until it gets nice and dry. And so you don't want to focus on too big of an area. You just want to stay in one area. And if you want to do your whole windshield, then just do it in little stages. You'll notice it's starting to haze then when you're getting close to drying. Just flip your towel over and just wipe it off. You might have to go back over some glass cleaner and get the little spots out of it, but that's about all there is to it, removing light scratches and swirl marks off your windshield.